Hi guys, you can clearly see from the title of this video, today we're going to talk about the universe. So as you know, universe is just our small brains can comprehend what's real. Today I'm going to give you a little information about the universe. Now of course, there are some people know how's the universe. They just like, oh, there's stars, there's some planets, exoplanets as well, and some galaxies. But that's not all. You have to get this information. This information is very crucial for you because I think that everybody needs to know what is really happening in life. I mean, not in life, but in the universe itself. So, first of all, I want to tell you that there are eight planets in our solar system and inner and exterior planets. And I think that everybody already knows the names of these planets. So, when we really just try to understand the distances between planets, they are really far away. And they are really far away that in our solar system, it makes it hard for us to comprehend how much years will it take us to reach other star systems. And even with our current technology, we can reach Saturn in 8 years, in the best case 7 or 8 years. So it's only to Saturn. Can you imagine? It's located inside our solar system. So that will be a long journey. But Voyager, let's talk about Voyager 1. Voyager 1 took its path in the year of 1977, and it has just left the solar system, the place where sun has gravitational effect. It has crossed the borderline and it is in interstellar space. Can you imagine? A man-made object is in the interstellar space. It is sometimes unbelievable to think that we are evolved from animals and now we send props is to cosmic space, and one of them had already gone into interstellar space, and that's really a big achievement. Really, that is absolutely astonishing. And we have landed on Math in the year of 1966. Look, isn't it great to feel proud? Like we humans all together, we congregated and tried to invent something new, and by inventing something new, we could land on in the moon, and we are now here. We're trying to go to other exoplanets. But first of all, of course, we have to invent a new technology that can that has the same velocity, the same speed as the velocity of light, which is roughly 3 multiplied by 10 prime 8. So that is uh, a very long number. 300,000 meters per second. Can you imagine? A light reaches the reflection of light reaches the moon in 1.3 seconds. From sun to earth, 8 minutes. But when we look at the distance, it's roughly 15 million. And now we really have to appreciate the speed of the light. That's a lot. That's incredibly long. That's, I mean, not long, a great number. But then, when we continue, and now I would like to talk about exterior planets. I mean, they are not, they're planets, but of course they are gas giants. And there's not surface that you can land on, and it's just gas, dust, cloud of gases, and there are several atmospheres that it will take you. In the end, it wouldn't take you. I mean, there are a lot of pressure there, and if you really want to get inside part of this gas giants, you really have to execute a lot of energy. So when you compare the pressure in this gas giant versus the pressure uh, in Earth atmosphere, that is incredibly big. Like if you were there in just this exoplanet, I mean not exoplanet, this gas giant like Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, we will be crushed. Literally, we will be crushed, and that is uh, something that we have to take into account because the universe is not always good, and most of the time it shows betrayal towards us. It is not so safe to go and explore. It is dangerous. It's very dangerous. And it could be there are a lot of possibilities that the Earth can be destroyed, like gamma rays. And scientists have been trying to find an answer to gamma ray radiation, and they have found if gamma ray were to hit the Earth will be destroyed in less than 1 second, and all the living species on Earth will die. Can you imagine? Like you're standing here, and after a minute, you won't be alive, and your friends, your family, the people you know, and as well as everybody will die. And besides that, animals will die as well. So that's the power of gamma ray. So we hope that we will not get hit by gamma ray. So let's just, I don't think that this is confirmed. Like if gamma ray were to hit the Earth, we will all die in less than 2 seconds. I still don't know if it's confirmed or not, but I think that even it's not 2 seconds, let's say it's 10 minutes, 1 hour, or 1 day. How disastrous will it be like to know the news that after 1 day you will not be alive and the people around the world will die as well? So, as we continue our conversation, I would like to give you information about interior planets as well. As you know, Mercury, then goes Venus and Earth, and finally the Mars. These planets make up the interior face of solar system. So I would like to tell that the position and the place of these planets are very crucial for the evolution, uh, gravitational evolution of the Earth, and it affects the rotation of the Earth. So let's say that we remove Mercury. What will happen next? Venus will come a little bit close, and as a result of that, Earth will come a little bit close as well, and that will increase the temperatures on the surface of the Earth, and that will be disaster for us. And if even if you take this into account, that global warming is a condition that we have to recognize, it becomes really uh, dangerous in the last years. And it's expected that global average temperature of the Earth will increase by 2 degrees in 100 years, in 1 century. This is really It makes it really important for us to invent new things as humans. It makes it very crucial for us to take this into account. Just not go and say, "Oh, Mary," just go and say, "Mary," like, "Oh, it's coming," and I hope that people find a solution for this, and people will find a solution. So else that people will find a solution, but nobody recognized that they could have contribution to this project as well, and they will make such an idea. They will have an idea that will develop and be so important that it will save the earth from heating. So that's why I would like you to take this into consideration, like global warming is an important issue. So, okay, as we move on, uh, in the last part of my speech, I want to talk about the universe itself. How is it made of? So, as we know, the distances between the stars are immense. So, like this closest star located, the closest star to the sun is Alpha Centauri A, and it's approximately 4.25 light years away. So when told like that, it's 4.25 light years away. It's like it's not that far away, but in reality, it's so far away that we cannot even know that we cannot even comprehend the distance. It is really, really far away from us. And you know the saddest part, it's the closest star to us, and it's in our galaxy. So what goes on? Other stars as well, and there are billions of stars in our Milky Way Galaxy. And so scientists have been trying to find the radius of the Milky Way Galaxy, and they say that it's 50,000 light years, uh, and the diameter is roughly 100 light years wide. So 50,000 light years. That's just unbelievably immense. Like 50,000. It is unbelievable. And you know, when we just try to understand that the closest star located situated near the sun is 4 light years away, roughly 4 light years away, and there are billions of stars in our galaxy as well. It makes us it makes it very difficult for us to understand the complexity of the universe. And you know, stars are not located in only X or Y direction. They are located in Z direction as well. And up, down, right, left, and wherever you look, there's a star, of course. And I would like to tell that scientists tell that there are at least 100 billion stars in our galaxy. 100 billion and at most 400 billion stars. Can you imagine this number? And there's a possibility that there is an exoplanet that turns around a specific star and that there might be a life there, like the life happens here on Earth. So, of course, there's true accuracy as well. And we don't life species will be there. Maybe they're similar to us, maybe they're a little bit different from us. And I think that if they were alive in other planets, they would look like us. Why? Because here on Earth, uh, millions of years ago, when a small particle of light landed here, came here in the ocean, life emerged, and we were born. And the thing is that I believe in God. Uh, I take that I believe that He exists, but I think that uh, our creation was not due to Him. He just simply didn't mean to create us. He just created the universe, and then everything then goes on. And then life emerged. Two legs, two hands, and now we're humans. We're also animals as well. And some people say that no, we're different from animals. We are not different than animals. But in reality, we're animals. We look like animals. Just look at the monkeys. They have two hands, they have 2 feet, they look like us. Their organs are like us. Their brain activity is similar to us, ours as well. So that is really it. So I was talking about the Milky Way Galaxy. So the nearest galaxy situated. No, I'm making a mistake again. The nearest galaxy uh, to Milky Way is Andromeda Galaxy, which is roughly 2.5 million light years away. That's great distance, immeasurable distance. And there are billions of galaxies in this universe as well. And here the universe ends. And there's some expectations that it's not clarified yet. There are other universes as well, the multiverse. And to be honest, I don't believe in multiverse. I believe that there is only one universe, and that's our universe. And there are billions of galaxies and billions of stars in these galaxies as well. So in reality, the universe is just so big. I think that it's the right time for me to end this video. In the next times, I will try talking about the universe, the exterior universe, the multiverse, probability. I will start to gain information and try to give you information about this topic, multiverse topic. So our next topic will be about this, as I told you right now. And goodbye. See you in the next videos.